So, what the heck is an agent? In short, an agent consists of three parts: observe, reason, and act. It observes the surrounding environments and then it reasons over what happens in this environment. It performs some action. It has some impacts to the world, so then it needs to observe again and reason and act. So over and over and over, this sort of loop is what we call an agentic loop. In order to understand this React loop a little bit better, let's dive into a very short history of LLMs and agents, right? At the very beginning of time, back in 2020, I was on a waitlist for the earliest GPT models that's open to public. It's basically a token predictor. You type in a sentence, an unfinished sentence, and it will try to predict the next tokens, the next words, so that it sort of complete this whole story. And it was cool, but we didn't really see an application of it. And then after that, we started using RLHF, which is reinforcement learning with human feedback, tweak these models in a way that the tokens that are predicted sounds as if it's answering questions. This is how ChatGPT was born at the end of 2022, where you can ask questions, it will respond to you, and it's more interactive, and it was really cool. And then after that, I realized that, hey, these chatbots, they're not very good at specific things like arithmetics or counting letters, like how many R's are in strawberry and stuff like that, due to the nature of token prediction. And so we thought that, hey, why not give access to external tools to these models, right? So these models can output tokens that ask us to help it do certain things. Like, for example, running some Python script to do calculations, or run web search. We can see that there's a proliferation of tools in the form of MCP servers that can really enhance the power of an LLM. These three are the key pillars of a robust autonomous agent, able to perform tasks autonomously and try to figure out the next steps, right, by going through this loop. There's a lot of nuances, a lot of interesting tricks that you can do. So in terms of context, there's a lot of context engineering, including the system prompt, including the memory that you enhance it with, including the knowledge. So you can build knowledge graph or RAG systems, a bunch of different things you can do to, intelligently shape the context that you feed into an LLM. I think that's a very, very important part of context engineering. So are you ready to build agents? Like and subscribe.